Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable show website icons on your Bitwarden desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the file right here in the top left corner and select settings. Now here in those settings, let me close the security and the app settings. We will go to the preferences. As you guys can see here at the bottom, we will have the show website icons. Now I disabled it and you guys can already notice the difference right here. Now let me enable it back. As you guys can see, we've got our Amex card, we've got our YouTube passwords, and that's basically what it does. So it applies automatically, you don't have to save it. As you guys can see, let me disable it. And as you guys can see now, the website is youtube.com and everything here is still doable. So it's just the icons, and that's how you guys can easily change it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and I'll see you in the next one.